Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson The Happy Prince. In our previous session we came to know that Happy Prince told his story to the swallow bird. That when he was human he did not know anything about sorrow because he lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. He lived happily and he died when his courtiers used to call him Happy Prince. He lived like that and he died. But after his death, his statue was made and it was kept high above the city. Now he could see all the ugliness and miseries of the people. That's why he was very sad. Though his heart was made of lead, yet he couldn't choose but weep. Only he could weep, cry by seeing the miserable condition of people. Now let's continue the lesson. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Yes, now statue is telling to the bird. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. His voice was musical, very sweet voice. Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. I can see from here, in the far away, in the little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open. One of the windows of that house is open, and through it, I can see a woman seated at a table. I can see through the window a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn, and she has coarse red hands, all pricked by the needle, for she is seamstress. See here, her face is thin and worn. That lady's face is thin and worn. Worn means very tired. Okay, very tired. And she has coarse red hands. That lady has coarse means rough, and red hands. Okay. All pricked by the needle. Her hands pricked. Pricked means pierced or punctured. Okay. Her hands punctured by the needle. Okay. The needle pierced in her hands. Pierced into her hands. For she is a seamstress. She is a seamstress. Seamstress means a woman who sew the new clothes. Okay, woman who sew the new clothes, or a woman who sews, especially one who earns her living by sewing. Sewing means stitching the cloth. Okay, that lady was a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on the satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor. And she was embroidering. Embroidering means decorating. Okay. Decorating a flower on the satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maid of honor. She was making flower design on the satin gown. Satin means a kind of cloth it is. On that, by that a gown was made. On that she was embroidering. Okay, making the design of a flower. And that gown belongs to loveliest of the queen's maids of honor. Okay, for queen's maid of honor, loveliest of the queen's maids of honor, she was preparing that gown to wear at the next court ball. That maid was about to wear that gown in the next court ball. Ball means here a dancing party. Party, in that there will be dance also, such party. Okay, that maid of honor was about to wear that gown in that party. Okay. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy, her son, is lying ill. He was ill. He has a fever and he is asking his mother to give him oranges. That small boy had fever and he was asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. But mother has nothing to give him but river water. Okay. She was very poor lady. Okay. Only water she can give to her son. So that boy was crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. Then Happy Prince asked the swallow bird, swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? You remove or take off ruby from my sword hilt and go and give it to that lady, poor seamstress. My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. I cannot move. Actually, I wanted to go and give this ruby to that lady, but I cannot move because my feet are fastened, fixed to the pedestal. Pedestal means column or raised platform to which the statue was fixed. So I cannot move. Then swallow bird replied, I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. Then this bird replied, I am waited for in Egypt. My friends are waiting for me in Egypt. My friends are flying up and down the Nile. They are flying up and down the Nile river and talking to large lotus flowers, and they are talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. They will go to sleep. So I have to go and join them. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and mother is so sad, he said. Then prince asked swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Messenger means here work for him. Okay. King requested bird to work for him. The boy is thirsty. That boy is very thirsty and mother is so sad. So please help him. Help them. Okay. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. Then bird replied, I don't think I like boys. I want to go to Egypt. I don't care about that boy. Okay. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Yes, happy prince became very sad. Okay, and bird felt sorry for that. Because of him, happy prince became sad. So bird felt sorry for that, and it said, "It is very cold. Here it is very cold." But he agreed to stay with him for one night, and he decided to become the messenger of a happy prince. "Thank you, little swallow," said the prince. The prince thanked that bird. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.